Morning students. Today I am going to revise natural resources. Natural resources. Our earth consists of essential resources which support life. Water, soil, air, minerals, plants, animals which occur naturally on earth are called resources. These resources are necessary for all living organisms, including man. These are most valuable things in the progress of mankind. We'll solve these following riddles to identify natural resources. In this chapter, we are going to understand the need of natural resources, types of natural resources, understand the significance of different natural resources, classify natural resources into renewable and non-renewable. You can't live without me. Every plant and tree animal needs me. Nobody can see me. I am here. Who am I? I am here. I occupy a major portion of earth. I satisfy all your thirst. I make animal, tree and plant cool. I am water. I let you live on me. I help you to grow plants and trees. I support life on you. I am earth. I give fruits and nuts. I spread cooling chairs. No life without me. I am forest. Vehicles like best lorry use me to run. Took thousands of years to form me. From underneath the soil you can extract me. I am fossil fuels. Plate timber metals are made up of me. Beautiful jewels are made of me. My ore will be hardened by you. I am metals. Darkness drives away from me. Bright light comes from me. Source of air, that is me. That is sun. So next we will go for two kinds of resources, renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources like solar energy, air, water, soil, forest are available in nature in spite of their usage. Since these are continuously available over the period of human lifetime, these resources are called renewable resources. Resources like solar energy, air, water, soil, forest, fire are available in the nature in spite of their usage. Since these are all continuously available period of human lifetime, these resources are called renewable resources. Resources like coal, petrol, diesel and natural gas will run out due to their continuous use. Such resources cannot be renewed, hence these resources are called non-renewable resources. Coal is non-renewable, iron is non-renewable, petrol is non-renewable, diesel is non-renewable, cooking gas is non-renewable, water and oxygen are renewable, forest non-renewable, gold non-renewable, wild animals non-renewable, solar energy renewable. Solar energy is the energy obtained from the sun. Sun is the main source of heat and light to the earth. We get light and heat from the sun. Plants prepare their food using solar energy. Solar energy is the energy obtained from the sun. Sun is the main source of heat and light to the earth. We get light and heat from the sun. That plants prepare their food using solar energy. Air, water, also natural resources. Soil, we walk on soil, we live on soil. Soil is also a renewable resource like water. Soil is necessary for the growth of plants. You already know that plants get water and soil is required to prepare the food from soil. What happens is also in the discuss when the wind is stormy, it gets washed. When there is water current after rain, gets washed away. Farming according to the shape of the land to prevent soil erosion is called as contour farming. Forests are the natural habitat of wild animals and birds. They provide necessary food to animals and many useful materials to man. Forests are also one of the natural resources. They provide fruits, flowers, medicinal plants, wood. Forests are shelters for tribals. Forests prevent soil erosion, washing away. The trees give out oxygen to increase the quantity of atmosphere. Such useful and valuable forests are being destroyed for activities like urbanization, industrialization, construction of dams. Forests can be conserved by restricting unnecessary felling of trees, tree planting, proper usage of forest products, cutting down tree branches causing forest fire. The government has made amendment to National Forest Policy in 1988 and has taken many steps to nurture and conserve the forests. You have also learned about renewable source of energy. Fuels or substances which release heat and energy on burning. Running vehicles, cooking food. Fossil fuels are found by the remains of extinct plants and animals which were buried under the earth's crust over millions of years. The main fossil fuels are petrol, natural gas, and coal. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax are the byproducts of petroleum. Petroleum is a liquid mineral formed beneath the earth. It's formed by action of bacteria, heat, pressure on dead organisms buried under the layers of rocks. The byproducts of petroleum, like wax and paraffin, are used to make candles, wood polish, ointments, dyes, lipsticks, chemical fertilizers, Vaseline, jelly. Natural gas is found with a petroleum in petroleum wells. Compressed natural gas is used as an alternative fuel to petrol and diesel to run vehicles. Millions of years ago, the remains of plants and trees that were buried beneath the earth's crust did not decay completely. Due to high temperature and pressure, they turned into coal under the layers of rocks. This is used as a fuel in the production of electricity. This source of energy is also used in industries. Solid fuel wood, liquid fuel petrol, gaseous fuel natural gas. Minerals are formed in the earth as a result of prolonged natural process. They are available along with the rocks in the surface of the earth. Minerals are extracted in the form of ore. Refined in factories and minerals are separated from them. Minerals are formed in the earth as a result of prolonged natural process. They are available along with the rocks in the surface of the earth. Minerals are extracted in the form of ore. Refined in factories, metals are separated from them. Separation of iron from iron ore. Metals like aluminum, copper, silver are extracted from their ores. It is a multi-useful material available in nature. Its composition can be represented by chemical formula. Regaining of emptied mineral resources depends upon scientific process that takes place. Minerals are formed over millions of years, may be used modernly. The availability of natural resources that fulfill our needs is not uniform everywhere. The quality of available resources is also not the same. As a result of excessive usage, the scarcity of such natural resources. The same condition persists. Some of the resources may not be available in the future. Hence, these resources must be used moderately and they must be reused if possible. Earlier days, natural things, some mountain, forest, minerals, animals, soil was considered as natural. Nowadays, it's got a wider meaning. The meaning of the word resource is changing with time. A thing once considered as a resource may not be considered after some years. Natural gas is a resource now, but it was not about 1,000 years ago. Sunlight, water, soil available, they are called universal resources. If forest resource used for firewood and wooden logs, then it cannot be reused again. As a result, forests become non-renewable resources. Growing more trees and moderate use of wood can make the forest renewable. Nowadays, seawater can be converted into pure water for drinking purpose using some methods, but these methods are very expensive. Human beings with innate intelligence, creativity, and expertise can also be considered as a type of resource.